Ọhaneze ndị Igbo ekenekwa mụ na ebe na nene modo dele onye ọbụla biko na online nwoke bụ Obama TV nwere obi abịa kwue that na a man of God bịa bụ amụma si that na Ebuka Obi should go and kneel down and apologize to Mbaka. Ebuka Obi should go and kneel down and apologize to Rev Father Ejike Mbaka. Which are for ihe ọjọọ dị ya mana onwe ya bụ na amụma dị iche, advice dị iche. You can give advice without attaching prophecy in here. Ka iwepụ aghụghọ n'ihe anyị na-eme. If as a prophet na-abata into this issue, ihe bịagoro wee sị na na ihe mekwala Ebuka Obi adịrọkwanụ mma. Ọ dịọkwanụ mma onye kpochi this gate nekwa ọ dịọkwa mma. You have no right ikpochi gate against any man of God because the place has been paid for and has been approved. Because no one emele approve I na-eme advert na achọ ime program in such environment. Condemn God in this act. That is the first truth that you people will first of all admit. Mani bebe asị na onye nka the righteous more than onye nka ini na onwere onye bụ Chukwu. And you have no right isi na onye the wrong na onye the right in this issue. This is a place apụta asị na mmadụ mejọ mmadụ ebia. Come out even you as a man of God before you na-enye onye advice say na ihe o kwesịrị ime na prophecy na-enye ya. But I go to condemn asị na ihe me this our soldier in the battlefield. Anyị na-achịkọrọ ofu ala aja efi ihe mere adịrọ mma. That is the first truth you guys should come and admit first. That is the first truth you need admit. Ndị ya na ntị ka unu nọ the prophecy the pastor nye dị nọ na anụzi ya ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwu ka ọ dị.
So someone tagged me on this particular prophecy by this pastor or prophet. I don't know the one he is. But listen to this voice and after I will chip him one or two things.
I am making a prophecy according to the revelation I get. I don't believe in cajoling somebody. God ministered to me to minister to our brother Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Let him remove anything if it's shame or whatever. Brother, wherever you are, come down and meet Father Mbaka. Go on your knee and apologize to him. Whether you are right or you are wrong. Go straight and reconcile with him.
See, my problem with all these ministers, all these clergy, call them whatever, is that they are too sentimental. And all these people that has been claiming that God told them, God showed them, why is God not also showing them that these people are trying to destroy Evangelist Ebuka and Zion ministry? Last time, Father Webejo came out to say, God told him that movement is this, that movement that. Why is God not showing them that this statement Elijah Enugu making is bad? Why is God not showing these people that all this propaganda ndị watcher na parade against Zion ministry they put a confusion, they put a fight, they put a division among his people? Why is God not showing all these ministers that Evangelist Ebuka have never wronged any of them? Why is God not showing this particular experiment that what Elijah Enugu came to the altar and tell the whole world is lies against Evangelist Ebuka? And God is telling you to tell Evangelist Ebuka to go on his knees and apologize. Okay, apologize for what? Apologize that after all their plan, Zion ministry agasaho. Or to apologize to him or to say no yawa putana altar na-ekwu things about yawa. I don't get this. God told me to tell you to go and kneel down. When I go do this thing, I go swear for that one at God. Because as far as I'm concerned, God cannot tell you all these things. God is not stupid. The same ministry these people are trying to mess up from day one, if not for that God grace. Okay, let's say all this their propaganda, lies and everything worked against Evangelist Ebuka and the Rev Ministry Tisa. People are more official because of Yahaneku. How would that they want to associate with him than Kibazwa? How would they try to be they are careful, they are for peace, this or that one? They are doing all those things because it's as if that what they plan is not back to sender. Because sometimes I saw someone saying that you guys want to bring Father Mbaka down. They never saw it coming. Hey, you guys think God is stupid, right? They never saw any of these things. They never expected the U-turn. Now when you come much after from nowhere, God told me to. Okay, let's assume that Evangelist Ebuka go back to his father, kneel down as you said God instructed you to tell him, and apologize, and his father forgive him. Would Evangelist Ebuka now turn from fake, what is arranging, what is fake with faith, to original? I'm carrying this as we, but I want to adapt carry this. Is he going to change from arranging what is faith with faith, or what is faith with fake, to original man of God? Obidi Gwachimbono, where Lord. Hi. If Evangelist Ebuka go back to his father and apologize, and the father forgive him, would all those things Father Webe join and do to the Evangelist Ebuka made then, are they going to revise it back? Father Webe Joy said Evangelist Ebuka that movement is not from God. Everywhere darkness. If Evangelist Ebuka go back to apologize to his father and his father forgive him, would that movement now turn from God? I don't even know what happened. I'm fucking tired this night. Hey, social media. Hey, Jesus Christ, these people. Would that cancel Evangelist Ebuka Naro? Oya tonzi from Ebo Yebi to Ebe Madi Yebi. If Evangelist Ebuka go back and apologize and they forgive you, I don't even know why I'm laughing. This is a serious matter. God don't suffer. God told me. God told me. Evangelist Ebuka kochiri like kochiri sike kochiri. You kwechiri sike. They should be the one to apologize to you. I kept saying it. They should be the one to come back to you and apologize and tender a public and sincere apology to you, and then say the truth of what happened. If not, kwechiri sike. God help me to be a you see. God have not started telling you guys. God still have a lot of things to review to you guys in this whole issue. I don't even know why I love you. I'm fucking tired. Hey! Obedi Gwachimbono, we are Lord.